Stumbled on a KOM file in the Elsword game directory and curious what it holds. These archive files store game assets for the popular MMO. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how Elsword KOM files work. For those complex KOM formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later, after we attempt the common methods. A user with a .kom file is almost certainly a player or modder of the online game, Elsword. They are attempting to access the game's assets, such as character models, textures, or sounds, either to create custom modifications, mods, or to data mine for information about upcoming content. The .kom format is a proprietary compressed binary archive used by the Elsword game client. It bundles multiple game assets into a single file to improve loading times and protect game data from casual modification. The internal structure often includes a file table and compressed data blocks, requiring specialized tools for extraction. The direct link for opening KOM files is established with Elsword from KOM Studios. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows reveals only minimal metadata, while full interpretation requires engine-specific utilities. To ensure maximum compatibility, right-click the KOM file and click Open with. Test Elsword if it appears. If not, choose another program. We are finding the specific software hook. When your KOM file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. This KOM file requires certain conditions to open properly. To isolate the error, we'll quickly verify these essential details on our checklist. First, letting Elsword manage. The Elsword game client automatically reads KOM files during gameplay loading required assets as needed. No manual intervention is required for normal gameplay. The game's update system manages KOM file additions and modifications during regular patches and content updates. Next, inspecting with community tools. Some Elsword community modders have developed tools for examining KOM file contents for educational or fan project purposes. Search Elsword fan communities for current tools and documentation. Note that game modification often violates terms of service, so use such tools responsibly and ethically. Finally, backing up game files. Back up KOM files before applying game modifications, protecting against installation issues or unintended changes. Restore original files by replacing modified versions with backup copies. This safety practice preserves game integrity when experimenting with mods or community-created content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If your issue is resolved, please comment "fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.